lot more rules, and we each have our own unique sets of rules, so it's going to be much more fun. So, let's start the timer, and then we'll go get our ingredients. Okay,
let's go.
Come on, get the recipe. What are you doing?
Yeah, let's get the recipe.
We need to go. Melt 10 tablespoons butter in a 10-inch skillet over medium-high heat.
So we have to brown the butter, apparently.
Oh, preheat the oven. We do need to preheat the oven. We also...
Or gloves. Can you get gloves? What kind of gloves?
It doesn't matter. Every time you say yay, spin around for 10 seconds.
So I can say yay, but you can't. I like how we don't have to.
Oh yeah, we also need to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Dance while you run back and forth and scream for 15 seconds every time you say ah or
I have to say Klim. We're not even using Klim.
oh. That's what I have to do.
Can you show us the camera for that? Because I can't say Klim.
Whisk flour, baking soda, and baking powder together in medium bowls. You must do candlestick for 15 seconds every time you jump.
Please don't fall. There we go. Okay, what's next? Not this knives.
Right, I need to mix this with a whisk. Add brown sugar and salt to the bowl. Oh, we need a bigger bowl then. Bowls got really bad. The dude tree.
I have to be very careful with what I'm saying.
You like what?
Huh? Where am I? Who am I? I don't know. Happening.
Ow! Just a bleeding.
What happened? Who am I? What is this? What am I doing?
Eat an ice cube.
You are terrible at pronouncing things.
Every time you spill something, oh.
Let's go like this. What do you have to do? What happened? I don't understand. Where am I? That is a lot harder than it looks. What's next? Huh?
We are going to put
Brown sugar?
1 plus 6. Balance a balloon on your head for 15 seconds every time you drop something.
Ragus. Let's add the brown ragus.
Whisk until.
I'm just not saying anything at this point.
It says, every time you crack your knuckles, you must touch your toes for 5 seconds. And I almost cracked my knuckles. It's like, oh, the eggshell thing is really hard, but your hands is way easier.
You're like what? What? Who am I? Look at that. You know, right?
Wear boots for the rest of the time.
I'm glad it's not just like an insta lose point. Oh yeah, don't want to overmix because it has flour in it now. That's good.
You must eat flour every time you leave the kitchen. Every time she says hey, she has to whisper for the next 30 seconds.
This looks amazing.
Can you try something? Oh, it smells so good. Act like a monkey for 30 seconds every time you yawn.
That makes me want to yawn.
Scoop 1 tablespoon of cookie dough and place a caramel on top. Add another tablespoon of dough on top of caramel. Pinch edges of dough around caramel and roll the ball.
I am so excited for these. These are like my favorite things. I'm really trying not to talk. We have like no points, dude. I think this is what happened. Where are you?
You must constantly run for 30 seconds every time you run. Oh yeah. Do you want to like learn that better?
You said the L word. What do you do? Who am I? Who are you? Who are you?
Act like a pig for the next 30 seconds every time you laugh. Get a piece of paper out. Every time you say the name of an ingredient, you must draw a picture of it on the piece of paper. You're only allowed to use that one piece of paper.
Who am I? Eat all your food.
Wait! Oh my gosh, pig. Oh. Let's say retard instead of that.
You must clap every time you say or.
Okay, guys, we're almost done. Okay, let's do this because I am done.
Every time you say literally, you must lightly slap yourself.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe I just did that.
Drink a glass of water every time you say the name of a wet ingredient. See if you guys can answer. Every time you say really, you must answer a Quizzle card.
Spell anti-disestablishmentarianism without writing it down.
ANTIVIS.
Nope.
Oh no! Oh crap!
ANTIVISESTABLEMENTARIANISM. What is a kappa? N. A blind pigeon. B. A castrated rooster. C. A deceased asp. D. A malnourished monkey. E. A buck-toothed pig.
The first one.
A blind pigeon?
Yeah.
Nope. It's a castrated rooster. How tall was the shortest man that can be proven to have ever lived? 2 feet 11 inches, 18 feet 4 inches,
Oh yeah, that's.
22.5 inches, 4 feet 5 inches.
So I'm gonna go first.
It's 22.5 inches.
Seriously?
Speak in a high-pitched voice until you pick your next rule every time you make a loud noise, including noises you make with other things like bowl.
True or false? The heaviest human baby ever was born in Yangshuan, China, in 1947 and weighed in at 67 pounds 12 ounces.
False.
False, you sad, sad person.
Oh.
Hey, that's a kind of high-pitched voice now.
Every time you say the name of an ingredient, you must not touch any more flour.
You read mine and said flour. I'm so excited for these. Ooh, if I say an ingredient that's already been used, I gotta put ice down the back.
Okay.
Hot.
3, 2, 1.
I remember why I love these.
Oh my gosh. Wrap your left arm in plaster trap every time you mess up a rule.
Oh, caramely goodness.
Whoa! So good.
Let me see. Alright, well, one more last one.
You must not touch any more of any type of sugar.
We're done. I can finally take my tinfoil hat off. I can take my gloves off finally.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take this stuff off.
Oh, he has to eat a whole 4th teaspoon. Okay, not that much.
Ooh, I don't know, maybe an 8th teaspoon.
Yeah.
3, 2.
Oh! Go throw it in the sink. Okay then. Oh, I can finally speak like normally, freely. I can just say what? What? Oh yeah, you gotta take the booze out. Oh my gosh, my feet just hurt in general. Anyways, that's all that we have for you guys today.
Yeah.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this content, please hit the like and subscribe. Helps us out a lot.